Hi students, good morning. Welcome back to online class. I am very happy to meet you in this session. Are you fine students? I hope you all are fine and safe. Students, in the previous class, which topic we discussed? Have you remember? Very good. We discussed about India's main rivers, is it? Students, Indian rivers are classified into two types, is it? What are the two types of Indian rivers? Very good. Himalayan rivers and peninsular rivers. The two types of Indian rivers we discussed about in the previous class, is it? Now, in the beginning of this class, we can recollect few important points about previous class portion. Okay. The Indian rivers are classified into two types. They are Himalayan rivers and peninsular rivers. What are Himalayan rivers? Very good. Ganga, Indus and Brahmaputra. These are the Himalayan rivers. Then the peninsular rivers are classified into two divisions. Is it? What are they? West flowing rivers and east flowing rivers. Is it? What are west flowing rivers? Narmada, Tapti, Mahi, Sabarmati and Luni. These are the best flowing rivers of peninsular India. Then, which are the east flowing rivers? Students, just you remember, name the east flowing rivers. Kaveri, Krishna, Godavari and Mahanadi. Is it? These are the east flowing rivers. Then these all rivers explanation, that means that particular rivers are from where to where they are flowing, from where that particular rivers are originates, okay, in which state that particular rivers are there. This all explanation we learned in the previous class, is it? And also I gave some map works. Students, I hope you done that all map works. You have to do and keep the file. Okay. Now let us come forward to today's class. Okay. Today we are going to discuss about India's plateau. Okay, plateau of India. Before that, I am going to explain what is plateau. Do you know, students, what is plateau? Plateau is an area of raised land that is flat on top. That means plateau is a large and flat area of the land that is higher than other area. National Geographic describes plateaus as flat and elevated landform that rises above the surroundings area on at least one side. Okay, the plateaus are a flat and elevated landform that rises above the surrounding area on at least one side. Okay, then students, do you know how plateaus are formed? Plateaus are formed when magma, which is located deep inside the earth, pushes towards the surface but it fails to break through the crust. How plateaus are formed? Plateaus are formed when magma, which is located deep inside the earth, pushes towards the surface but it fails to break through the crust. As a result, this magma ends uplifting large impenetrable rocks above it. Okay, as a result, this particular magma ends uplifting large and impenetrable rock above it, and these plateaus are formed over millions of years. Then, peninsular plateau is a tableland composed of old crystalline, igneous and metamorphic rocks. The peninsular plateau is a tableland composed of old crystalline, igneous and metamorphic rocks. The plateaus has broad and shallow valleys and rounded hills. Okay, then Peninsular Plateau is divided into two divisions. Listen very careful, students. Peninsular Plateau is divided into two divisions. They are Central Highland and Deccan Plateau. Students, just you see this map. This is the division of Peninsular Plateau. Okay, Peninsular Plateau is divided into two divisions. They are Central Highland. Did you see the map, students? Central Highland. Okay, in the northern side, that is Central Highland, and the southern side, it is Deccan Plateau. Okay, Central Highlands and Deccan Plateau. Okay, the first one is Central Highlands. Central Highlands lies into north of the Narmada River. Where Central Highlands is lie? The Central Highlands are lies to the north of the Narmada River. It covers major portion of the Malwa Plateau. It covers the major portion of the Malwa Plateau. The western part of Central Highland is known as Malwa Plateau, and it extends to the east of Malwa Plateau is known as Bundelkhand, and its further extension is known as Bahalkhand. Listen very careful, students. The Central Highland is lies to north of the Narmada River. It covers the major portion of the Malwa Plateau. Okay. Then the western part of Central Highland is known as Malwa Plateau, and this plateau is extends to the east of Malwa Plateau is known as Bundelkhand Plateau, and its further extension is known as Bahalkhand, Bundelkhand and Bahalkhand. The extension of east of Malwa Plateau is known as Bundelkhand, and further extension is known as Bahalkhand. Okay, northeastern part is known as Chota Nagpur Plateau. The Central Highlands northeastern part is known as Chota Nagpur Plateau. Can you understand, students, about Central Highlands? Central Highlands has Chota Nagpur Plateau, Malwa Plateau, Bundelkhand and Bahalkhand. Okay. Then the second division is Deccan Plateau. Just you see the picture. This is the image of Deccan Plateau. Okay. Deccan Plateau is the largest plateau. That particular plateau is covers most of the South Indian area. It is triangular in shape. This particular plateau is surrounded by three mountain ranges. Then it extends some of the states like Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. 43% of India's landmass are covered by Deccan Plateau. Totally 43% of India's landmass, that 43% are covered by this Deccan Plateau. It is largely 1000 meters above the sea level. 1000 meters above the sea level. Okay. Then India has more than 7 plateaus, but now I am going to explain few important plateaus. India has more than 7 plateaus. Now I am going to explain only few important plateaus. Okay, the first one is Malwa Plateau. The first one is Malwa Plateau. Students, just you see this picture. This is the image of Malwa Plateau. Okay, this is the image of Malwa Plateau. Malwa Plateau is a plateau of volcanic origin which is located in central North India, covered Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan. Okay, listen very careful, students. Malwa Plateau is a plateau of volcanic origin which is located in central North India, covered Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan. Okay. Then it is located the elevation of about 1650 feet to 2000 feet above the sea level. This Malwa Plateau is located the elevation of about 1650 feet to 2000 feet above the sea level. Okay, just you see this map, students. This is the Malwa Plateau area. Here that green color is mentioned, Malwa Plateau. Okay, this Malwa Plateau is located at the elevation of 1650 to 2000 feet above the sea level. Okay, some of the crops are growing in this particular area. The major crops grow in this plateau are cotton, oil seeds, sugar, paper, etc. Okay, then the second one is Chota Nagpur Plateau. The second one is Chota Nagpur Plateau. Listen, students, it is in eastern India. Just you see the picture. This is the image of Chota Nagpur Plateau. This Chota Nagpur Plateau is in eastern India. This particular plateau covers Jharkhand as well as the part of Bihar, West Bengal, Odisha and Chhattisgarh. Okay. Then the total area of this plateau is 65,000 square kilometer. How much total area? 65,000 square kilometer, and its height is 1350 meter. Its height is 1350 meter. Okay, just you see this map, students. Here that red color mentioned the Chota Nagpur Plateau. Okay, that red color is mentioned the Chota Nagpur Plateau. Many mineral resources are there. Okay, in this plateau there are many mineral resources. Okay, for example, mica, copper, limestone, bauxite, iron ore. These are the important minerals in this plateau. Okay, this plateau is in Chhattisgarh and Jharkhand state. This plateau is in the state of Chhattisgarh and Jharkhand. Okay, then the third one is Bundelkhand. The third one is Bundelkhand. Students, just you see this picture. This is the image of Bundelkhand. Okay, listen here. It is lies between Indo-Gangetic Plain to the north and Vindhya Range to the south. Listen very careful, students. It is lies between Indo-Gangetic Plain to the north and Vindhya Range to the south. Okay. This plateau is a mountainous range. Bundelkhand Plateau, it is a mountainous range. It comprises the parts of Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh. Now listen very careful. Bundelkhand comprises the parts of Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh. It is situated in the northeast direction of Malwa Plateau, which is located in west central India. Listen, students, this is situated in the northeast direction of Malwa Plateau, which is located in west central India. Okay. Then the fourth one is Bahalkhand. The fourth one is Bahalkhand. Okay. Students, just you see this picture. This is the image of Bahalkhand. Bahalkhand also a region of mountain range in central India. Bagalkhand also a region and mountain range in central India. This Bagalkhand covers the northeastern region of Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh. This particular plateau is covered the northeastern region. Okay, northeastern region of Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh. It is surrounded by the Indo-Gangetic Plain into the north and east. It is surrounded by the Indo-Gangetic Plain in the north and east. It is one of the tourist center. Many Hindu and Jain temples are here. Okay. Then the fifth one is Deccan Plateau. The fifth one is Deccan Plateau. Okay. Deccan Plateau. This is triangular in shape. Students, just you see this map. This is Deccan Plateau map. The red color is mentioned the Deccan Plateau. Deccan Plateau is triangular in shape. It lies south of the river Narmada. Just you see the picture, students. This Deccan Plateau is lies south of the river Narmada. This plateau is formed by lava flows. Lava means melted rocks. Okay, this plateau is formed by lava flows. Lava means melted rocks. It lies the south of the Satpura range and it extends up to Came. Eastern Ghats is in Eastern Ghats and Western edge in Western Ghats. It is lies in south of the Satpura range and it extends up to eastern edge in the Eastern Ghats and western edge in the Western Ghats. It contain oldest crystalline rocks. It contain oldest crystalline rocks. It extend some of the state. The particular states are Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Okay. Then this India's 43% of areas are covered by this Deccan Plateau. It is above the sea level, 1000 meters above the sea level. Okay. Can you understand, students? These are the important plateaus of India. There are more than 7 plateaus are there. Just important 5 plateaus I explained. Okay. Can you understand, students? Shall we recall the points? Students, today we discussed about important plateaus of India. Okay. Students, have you remember what is plateau? Plateau is an area of raised land that is flat on top. Is it? What is plateaus? Plateau is a large and flat area of the land that is higher than other area. Is it? Then, how the plateaus are formed? Plateaus are formed when magma is located deep inside the earth. It pushes towards the surface, but it fails to break through the crust. Okay, as a result, the magma ends uplifting large rock above it. Then, these plateaus are formed over millions of years. Is it? Then, the plateaus are composed of old crystalline, igneous and metamorphic rocks. Okay. Then the peninsular plateau is divided into 2 divisions. Is it? Peninsular plateau is divided into 2 divisions. Have you remember, students, what are the 2 divisions of peninsular plateau? Very good. Central Highlands and Deccan Plateau. Okay. Just you see this map, students, this picture. The 2 divisions of peninsular plateau. Okay, the 2 divisions of peninsular plateau. The northern part is the Central Highlands and the southern part is the Deccan Plateau. Okay. Now, Central Highlands, that means it lies in the north of the Narmada river. Okay. The Vindhya, nearby Vindhya, Narmada river is there. Okay, nearby Vindhya, Narmada river is there. It lies to the north to the Narmada river. And also, its major part is covered by Malwa Plateau. Malwa Plateau is nearby that Narmada Aravalli range, nearby Narmada, above Narmada and nearby Aravalli range. Okay. Then western part of Central Highland is known as Malwa Plateau and it extends the east of Malwa Plateau is known as Bundelkhand. Further extension is Bagalkhand. Okay. Then the eastern part is known as Chota Nagpur. Did you see Chota Nagpur? The eastern part of Central Highland is Chota Nagpur Plateau. In the middle, Bundelkhand and Bagalkhand is there. Okay. Then the second one is Deccan Plateau. Is it? So just you see this map, students. This is Deccan Plateau. Deccan Plateau covers most of the South Indian area and its shape is triangular. Okay, it is surrounded mountain ranges and it extends Some of the states, it just you see, state of Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu. These states are covered by this Deccan Plateau. The totally India's 43% of areas or landmass are covered by this plateau. Okay. Then now I am next we learned about five important plateaus. Is it five important plateaus? The first one is Malwa Plateau. This is the images of Malwa Plateau. Then this Malwa Plateau is located. Just you see, this is the image of Malwa Plateau. This Malwa Plateau is located in Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan. Okay, Malwa Plateau is located in central North India, covered Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan. It is located the elevation of 1650 to 2000 feet above the sea level. Just you see, it is 2000 feet above the sea level. Okay, then the next one is Chota Nagpur Plateau. Just you see, this is the image of Chota Nagpur Plateau. It covers Jharkhand as well as the part of Bihar, West Bengal, Odisha and Chhattisgarh. Total area is 65,000 square kilometer. Okay, this total. Now see the map, students. This is Chota Nagpur Plateau. Its total area is 65,000 square kilometer and its height is 1350 meter. Okay, then just you see next one. Next is the Bundelkhand Plateau. Bundelkhand. This Bundelkhand lies between Indo-Gangetic Plain to the north and Vindhya Range to the south. And also it comprises the part of Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh. Now just you see this map, students. It comprises the parts of Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh. It is situated in the northeast direction of Malwa Plateau. It originated in the it is covered in the northeast direction of Malwa Plateau and it located in the west central India. Okay, this is the Bundelkhand Plateau. The next one is the Bagalkhand. This is the image of Bagalkhand. Okay, this is the image of Bagalkhand. Just you see this map. This is the Bagalkhand Plateau. This plateau is in mountainous range in central India. It covers the northeastern region of Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh. It is surrounded by Indo-Gangetic Plain to the north and east. Okay. It is one of the famous tourist places because many Hindu temples are there and Jain temples are there. So it is very important tourist center. Then the last plateau we learned about Deccan Plateau. The Deccan Plateau is in triangular shape. Just you see this map. Deccan Plateau is in triangular shape. It lies south of the river Narmada. Okay. It lies south of the river Narmada. Then this plateau is formed by lava flows. Lava means melted rocks. Okay, it is lied in south of the Satpura range and it extends eastern edge in the Eastern Ghats and western edge in the Western Ghats. It contains oldest crystalline rock. Okay, then students, today I conclude in this class. Just you listen very careful, students. Now just you see this map. This is Deccan Plateau map. Okay, one separate map you have to do Deccan Plateau alone. Okay, outline map you have to do Deccan Plateau alone. Students, you have to buy 40 India outline map. Okay, 40 India outline map, and each map you have to do. Which are the places I am mentioned, that particular places you have to do in one map. Okay. In today's class, one map you have to do this Deccan Plateau alone. Okay, Deccan Plateau alone, that orange color, it mentioned the Deccan Plateau. Likewise, you draw the shape. Okay, it is triangular in shape. You draw the shape. Okay. Then the next map you have to do Bahalkond. This is Bahalkond. Okay. One separate map. You have to do this Bahalkond. Okay. This map Bahalkond. Then the next map. This is Bundelkond. Okay. You have to do Bundelkond. This map is Bundelkond. Okay. Then you have to see the next map. This is Chota Nagpur Plateau. This map is Chota Nagpur Plateau. In one map you have to do this Chota Nagpur Plateau. Okay. Then the next map you have to do Malwa Plateau. Malwa Plateau. The next map you have to do Malwa Plateau. Okay. The green color is mentioned Malwa Plateau. That Malwa Plateau alone you have to do. Otherwise you have to do the two maps together you have to do. That means Malwa Plateau and Chota Nagpur Plateau you have to do together. Just you see this map, Malwa Plateau and Chota Nagpur Plateau together given, is it? Likewise, the same map, Malwa Plateau and Chota Nagpur Plateau you have to do, no problem. Okay, students, today, which are the maps you want to do? First one, Deccan Plateau. Next one, Malwa Plateau and Chota Nagpur Plateau. Next one, Bundelkhand. Next one, Bahalkhand. Okay, likewise, 5 plateaus you have to do. Okay, you have to do this map and you keep in the file, and also you have to learn this map's place also. Okay, students, can you understand? We will meet the next class. Okay, students, thank you.